Hello, it's Freshen on Friday. We're going to pick 3 things to do in each room. That is it. It's Friday and we're going to get this weekend started early. Let's go. The first thing we have to do is make a list of what we want to get done for those 3 items. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and tackle those. This Freshen Up Friday is from Mrs. Hinch. I read this in an article. So the majority of things on my to-do list is I'm gonna do all the floors because I haven't done them in a while, and I want to do the windows in most of the rooms, and then I'm also going to be cleaning up the little piles of mess that I had left around the house. Welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jacqueline, and in today's video I'm doing a Freshen Up Friday where I want to get my weekend started early, so I'm going to be picking 3 items or 3 things to do in each room, and then I'm just going to tackle those to get these weekends started early. Please leave a comment below and letting me know that you're new here, and if you haven't already and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. I ran out of window cleaner, and since this month I am not buying any more cleaners, I went ahead and made my own. I used to make this all the time before I started using Grove, and all you need is 1/2 cup of vinegar and 1/2 cup of water, and then you use about 8 drops of any citrus oil that you have. I put lemon eucalyptus in mine because my husband's like, "Ooh, I like that smell," so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Just make sure you shake it up every time you use it, and you go ahead and spray. I'm just checking off my list, and in this basket is my items that don't belong in here, and when I move to the other rooms, I will put them away. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger. I am moving into writer's room right now. This Freshen Up Friday, it took me about 30 minutes to do. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this routine. If you guys try this, please let me know in the comments below. I would like to see what you guys think about this. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna I already had vacuumed all the floors. I did it all at once, so now all I have to do is mop. Third item that I had to do in this room was a basket of laundry. I did that when my camera was charging. All I have to do in my room is pretty much the vacuuming of the floors and mopping them. Now I'm going to be moving into the bathroom, and I'm going to do all the same in all of my bathrooms. I'm going to do the mirrors, wipe down the toilet and the sink, and dust the items that are in my bathroom. Moving into my kitchen, my items to do in here are washing the few dishes, wiping down the cabinets, and then also mopping the floor. Thank you guys so much for joining with me today. I hope you guys do this Freshen Up Friday to start your guys' weekend, and I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys are doing this weekend. We are going to go see a Cubs game, and we're excited to do that.